Italians, they love to defend. If there's a fan base that is loyal, aggressive, and will defend their faith, it's Italians. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I feel like their concerns are very genuine. Let's just be honest. Ever since they come out of the house, even in the house, Melly fans, they always believe that Melly is the handbag to Thandeka. They believe that if it wasn't for Thandeka, Melly could have been gone far or even winning the game. Because of finding love, guys, love will make you relax. Love will make you like feel like you're complete. That's how love make you feel, and especially new love that you find in a space where you're isolated from the world will make you do that. And do I say the advocates are wrong for saying that? No, I understand where they're coming from. They know Melu for who he is. They made sure that they get him back into Big Brother house, and now the chance was wasted because their reason was that the guy was not utilizing the opportunity. He focused mostly on the girl, which is valid. But then it comes to when they come out of the house, Italians are the one who are every day promoting Meli. They're even calling him son-in-law. Like they make sure that they work very hard. Whenever Meli is posting, they flood his comment section, they like, they share, they hype him up. But on the other hand, advocates are invisible, or they're just invisible by nature, hey? Because let's just be honest, even when he was announced as Grand Joe ambassador, it was Italians who were promoting more than advocates. Where were advocates? Guys, where were you? What were you doing not hyping your boy? That's my question, hey? And the thing with this relationship is that they have shippers, and individually, each of them, they have fan base. And this fan base, they don't understand that they need to work together in order for both of them to succeed. Guys, one thing about relationship in South Africa or in the world, it will kick your ass left, right, and center. And when we're given a chance to witness genuine love, why not celebrate it? Other than trying to say this one is breaking this one does not suit this one. This is one of the comments that I've seen from the Italians saying that Mel is not too good for Thandeka. But anyway, who am I to judge? If the girl is happy. As fans, you just need to support them together because they come as a package. And sometimes brands like Daniel Wellington, they can work with them together. Brands that promotes love. This came during love season. Clicks, Mr. Price, they can work with them. So you need to push in that direction. Just like Zinaye, that relationship it did the most. Hey,